Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So this week we've got a Hillman Imp for Colin CA restoration. This isn't the one we're doing the video on, so it's October, and this is one we are about to do for Colin. But I've got a video from back in April, so thought I'd just explain. A lot went on in April. Wife took on a salon. Me and Big JT did a refurb on the place. So an imp, well actually two imps we did for Colin, may show you both, and they're quite rare sport ones. We rushed through around doing the salon, I think, didn't have the time to get the video out. So I thought I'd go back, as Colin and a load of people have been saying, where's the video on them two? So today's video is going back in time. So welcome to April. Hi guys, welcome back. So this week we have quite a rare little car for Colin at CA restoration. It's going to be one of two cars. So this one is a single headlight Sunbeam Imp Sport. Quite a rare car, it's 1967. So we got the job of blasting the whole shell, the panels. I've started on a couple already, and then Colin's going to get back, do his magic to it, and then full paint, and then it's going to be back to not factory condition, because as Colin was telling me the other day, in the factory the night guys used to race the cars around the factory, quite often crash them up and beat them out, make them pretty to then go out. So Colin's going to do a better job what they do. So I'm going to get it in there. It's the end of the day right now, so I'm going to get the car on the rollover jig ready for the morning, and then we can crack on because I'm running behind. I'm trying to get this car out before this coming weekend. You've already had it now, is the Easter weekend. Me and JT are going to be busy this weekend because the wife's opening a salon following weekend. So this weekend we're starting to work on it. So have a look at Eclipse Salon in Balkan. So if you're local, there's a hairdresser's, beauty salon, and also a barber's there as well. So we're going to be getting that ready. So I better pull my finger out and get this car in. Well, I'll show you the car. Voila. So this is on Colin's little frame. So the framework's already on for the rollover jig. So I'll time lapse it now, whack it on the rollover jig. She's all ready for the morning then. And there's no wings, and we're not doing the front panel. It had fiberglass wings on it, which is Colin's obviously going to replace. Front panel's a little bit bent, so we've got another panel over there we're going to blast for Colin to take off and pop this on. So right, let's get her on the jig. Right, so that's that on the jig. Can roll a whole 360 if I need to, which I said before I don't need to, but it's quite handy for cleaning out. So Colin's done all the hard work. He's taken all the under seal off because obviously we bounce off it. And yeah, he stripped it right back ready. So that's it, that's ready for the morning. I'm going home now, it's 7 o'clock, and I'll make a good start on it tomorrow. I reckon we can get quite a bit done tomorrow. So yeah, see you in the morning.
One nap later.
So that's the shell all blasted. It's not a bad shell, to be honest. This is the other shell's the better one out of the two, apparently. But it's quite a good shell. So Colin's got a few little bits to tidy up and make good. I think this has got to be done a couple of months turnaround. Front panel's done as well, so Colin can crack on with this next week. So it's all blown down. So I'm now going to prime it all up, get it all done, and then we can get it back off the jig. Right guys, so it's been a little bit of a gap for me finished blasting, and now, because unfortunately I've just had a week off sorting out the wife just taking over a salon. So there's the Imp. So it's just been on the TV for you, but it's Monday morning. I've got to get this down onto the jig for Colin. Colin's taken this away and replacing it with another one. So I'll do the next one, all time lapse. This is the same customer, just another Imp. Next one's supposed to be in really good condition. So I'm going to get this down now and get it ready for Colin to go. And let's get on with it. So there we go, one's done. Colin loads up, takes a while to strap down, bless him, has a coffee and goes. Then they come back, and as you see, Ren was happy to see the camera. He could reach it, unlike Colin. So this is Imp number 2, it's slightly different. So same again, on the spit, giving it a good old blast up. Thought I'd just do some quick time lapse, as you've seen one, you've seen them all, haven't you? And this was really a clean car. It's a better one compared to the other one. Getting a bit foggy in there now. This one definitely had no filler compared to the other one. The other one didn't have loads, but this was a really clean blast and quite a genuine original paintwork on it as well. So this is just the last bit of the blasting done. Wish I could blast this quick, would make a fortune. So we'll blow it all down, just get the inside finished and then clear it all down. Last bit of roof, It's always the hardest part, so it's delicate panel the roof. So now our primer all up, it's all cleared out. Back off the jig, off the collet. So that's them all done. We'll have a quick look around them. Thanks very much guys for watching this week. Please share, like, subscribe. Next week will be probably a rover SD1, but who knows. Please subscribe, and then you, if I send any sneaky ones out, you'll get them before everybody else. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.